Hi friends, welcome to our channel. This is the remedy for cold and cough. This is holy basil, or we call tulsi. We need to have ginger. This is a regular ginger. We need to have turmeric. You can have powder turmeric, or you can have another one. And then you need to have honey. You could use any honey, any company honey, but it should be of a good quality. We need to mix everything in a bowl or a glass. And we need to put some water in it. It should be around 200-250 ml water in 2-3 leaves of tulsi or holy basil. Then we need to boil it for 5 to 10 minutes. A good boil is necessary. We wait for 5-10 minutes. Then you need to add honey at last. To add honey, just boil it for 1 more minute, and then you need to take it off.